Opening a gift that Wade got. But I'm thinking it's maybe mine. I don't know. We'll see. Wade doesn't know this address. Oh my God. Oh, that is so beautiful. And everybody signed it. Oh my God, I'm already gonna cry. Really? I'm just looking at it all over again. Fucking Toby. Everybody put everything on here. It's fucking awesome. Oh, and Lonnie, of course. Thank you, Lonnie. I love this, you know, everybody knows. Green actually is my kitchen color, but that's the Celtic green. And this symbol means a lot to me. But
what's the symbol mean, Mick?
I can't do it right now. What's the symbol mean, Toby?
It means eternal friendship.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, okay. So jewels, erotics. I'm not gonna read them all because I already know it's gonna drive me crazy. Cat, yay. I can't read.
You can say thank you, everybody.
I know. Thank you, everybody. Sorry, Toby Lee, Ty, Tony.
So yeah, we're in Arkansas. If you guys can see the beautiful greenery and all the wind behind us.
Look at, yeah, it's a beautiful day, but there's wind. Thank you.
Here, let me get a close up of it.
I love it. I love you all. Thank you so much.